Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Discord and joining a voice channel or direct call. This is required before sharing. Once connected, make sure Discord has microphone and screen permissions at the OS level so you won't be blocked. Now, click the screen or share your screen button in the call controls to begin the process. Choose whether to share an application window or your entire screen. Do this now so you can move on to setting quality options and audio routing. Once you click Share, pick between an entire screen or a specific application window. Entire screen is simpler, window is cleaner. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate, lower them to reduce bandwidth if viewers lag, or increase if your connection supports it. Nitro users may unlock higher options. If you want game sound, enable Share Audio for that source. Note some apps require running Discord as administrator to capture audio. After settings are set, press Go Live or start sharing to stream. To finish, click Stop Share or end the call. Your shared window closes immediately, and you can restart with the same steps. Make sure your mic and system audio levels are balanced using Discord's voice settings and push to talk if background noise is an issue. If viewers report no video or no sound, first check Discord and OS permissions, then restart the app. Many capture issues resolve with a restart or by running Discord as administrator. That single troubleshooting step often fixes common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.